All right, what's going on, everybody? Jared Leon here with Pack a Punch Traders. Just want to make a quick morning recap of today. Um, so far, it's been an amazing week. A lot of great runners, and I've just been hesitant and sitting on my hands. I'll see a great play setting up, and either I'll kind of miss it and I'll miss the perfect timing to buy, or I see something holding and something I should be buying, and I just kind of hesitate, or hesitate for just a minute too long, and then all of a sudden it's making the move without me. And that was kind of the trend of this week, was me just kind of being hesitant and letting these moves just run without me. And I was really annoyed with that, because last Friday was a green day, Monday was a green day, and Tuesday was a green day for me. So the last 3 times I've taken trades, I've been green. So I've just had a little bit more confidence, and wanted to take the trades that I was just seeing, and take the patterns that I like, and I just kind of failed to do that this week, and I'm not too sure why. So today I came in a little bit more aggressive. Um, IMPP was the first one I took. Which looks like it's coming back now. This is actually could be pretty nice. Like that, kind of just a breakout over, what is it, 89 cents, 90 cents, and looking for a push back up to the low. Excuse me. Low ones. After that, it can go into the mid ones. I like the volume. I like the third day surge kind of pattern that's happening here, plus the breakout. And I got chopped around a little bit in here. I bought this dip here in the morning, right here, this candle, and ended up cutting it. I was risking 86 cents, so I cut it right here when it finally cracked. And that was just me taking it too early. It was using that it was using that key level as resistance instead of support, like how I like and look for. And so I just, a little premature with this dip buy here. Need to let this consolidate and prove itself a little bit more. And if I would have just waited a couple more minutes, I would have clearly known not to buy, and I probably never would have taken this. So this is coming back, so I would keep this on watch for power hour, that's for sure. The other one was COGT and RDBX. They happened at the exact same time, and I saw this moving in the morning, and just kept an eye on it, and I saw it topped out there at 9, and I kind of saw, look in the daily chart here, you can see all this topping action at 9, and I saw it as a key level to where we could break through 9 in that high of day. I saw it as a breakout. And I let it break through 9, and then I did take a position here, I think at like 9:30, and then I added at like, I don't know, low 9s, like 9:15 or something like that. And I did cut it when it looked like it was going to crack. It was just consolidating for too long. I got a little impatient. I was in 2 trades at once. I've already taken a loss in the morning. I did have a little bit bigger size here. I had 200 shares, so I ended up cutting 100 shares for a small loss and letting the other 100 shares ride. Really thought about adding that other 100 shares back. Just decided not to. And we got the nice move. I sold way too soon. I knew I was selling too soon. My goal was 10. So that's basically where I sold. I sold half at like 973 or something like that. 975, and then the other half at 998. So small win there, kind of just took the snipe. I knew I was selling too soon, especially when they started really holding up in the 980s, 990s, around 10. We got that nice burst to 1089. So that ended up working out really well. And then RDBX was the other one I was in. Did I go over? Yeah, okay. I just want to make sure I went over the daily chart. So RDBX, you can see here's the daily chart. It's just red box. I guess they had some positive news this has just been overreacting to. But nonetheless, really nice price action, really nice volume coming in, and you know, it has nice little multi-day breakouts that's been forming on the way up back towards 11. So we've just really been waiting for this to kind of finally break out. You know, I was waiting here this day and it never did. And it ended up holding up. And so we kind of have this third day surge here. We got this little gap, failed to break down, and that third day surge, and we finally broke out. So was watching this in the morning, let it break out, and then I was buying this dip. So I was buying in here at, you know, the 11 teens and then the 1120s. I think I just had 100 shares, which is still, for me, a little bit bigger of size. I know I've been trading with like $500 position sizes, somewhere around that area. I haven't really been getting up to $1,000 position sizes, just because I've been trying to downsize, make sure, you know, my entries are right. I'm looking at the right things. I'm trading the right things. I have good risk. I'm not losing too much, and just make sure all the, you know, the important things, the fundamentals are there, and I can be consistent and confident, and then, you know, with time and proving to myself that I'm consistent and confident, I will start sizing up a little bit more. But knowing how crazy this week was, how I didn't have no size, you know, last Friday or you know, this Monday and Tuesday, just took some small snipes and wanted to have a little bit bigger size. So 100 shares at 11, that's $1,100. That's a little bit bigger size than normal. So I sold half at 12.17 and the other half at 12.44, basically locking in close to 10% and just kind of calling it a day. And I know we got a nice, I sold too soon once again, got a nice push up into the low 13s and some dipping, but it held up, higher lows, held VWAP, and we got a nice push up to 1470. And this still isn't over. This is still holding up. So this could still be on watch for a potential play going into power hour. So I kept it really simple. I play these really safe, still not crazy size. You know, so selling way too soon and just playing it as conservative as possible. Really just trying to grow my confidence. So yeah, just I wait for these things to break out, wait for them to dip and hold. When they can dip and hold and confirm the breakout, that's when I'm taking my entries and I'm getting my adds into the higher lows, into that consolidation, looking for, you know, at least a 10% move through the breakout level, or at least, you know, all these plays have been running, I mean, crazy amounts, hundreds of percent. So I would expect this to run a little bit more than 10%, which so far both of these have. And I just need to be a little bit more patient with my sell. So that's one thing I need to work on. And, you know, what was it, the IMPP, I need to be a little bit more patient with letting that prove itself. But that's really it, not too bad. Green on the day, 2 for 3. Green on the week. You know, I didn't trade Wednesday or Thursday, so I, you know, saw 4th green day in a row. Can't complain. I'm happy with that. I just want to be smart, not get over my, you know, too much ahead of myself. Just take it day by day, trade by trade, and let's just keep grinding, keep moving forward, and keep just getting better. Slowly building that account. So that's really it for now. That was just the morning. I'm kind of just hanging out with the dog here midday and waiting for power hour to come around. So that was it. Hope you guys enjoyed. Hope it made sense, and I'll catch you guys later.